WhatsApp has started testing a bulk channel management feature with select beta users in iOS that allows them to select multiple channels simultaneously, making it easier and more efficient to manage followed channels. This significant update lets users perform bulk actions such as muting several channels simultaneously, marking them as read and adjusting notifications. For instance, if the selected channels are muted, users will now see an option to enable notifications. Conversely, if the channels are not muted, users can easily mute them in one step. Additionally, this feature enables users to unfollow multiple channels simultaneously, optimizing the process of cleaning up their channel list. This improvement is particularly useful for users managing many subscriptions. Previously, users had to manage each channel individually, which made tasks like muting or marking channels as read repetitive and time-consuming. The feature also provides greater flexibility and control over channel subscriptions, enabling users to manage notifications effortlessly. For users following numerous channels, the feature streamlines time-consuming tasks, enhancing their overall experience. Currently, the bulk management feature is available to a limited number of beta testers who've downloaded the latest WhatsApp beta for iOS via the Test Flight app. Meta-owned WhatsApp plans to roll out the feature to more users in the coming weeks. With this update, WhatsApp reaffirms its commitment to improving user experience, delivering a smooth and intuitive way to manage channels and notifications effortlessly.